जन्नत लर्निंग डिजिटल क्लास में खुश आमदीद। बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स लेक्चर नंबर 41। हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको ये लेक्चर मालूमाती और मुफीद लगेगा। हौसला अफजाई के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने ख्यालात, तबसरे और तजावीज़ को शेयर करें।
सैंपल्स क्या है? ये स्लाइड 1000 फार्मों का नमूना है जो सारिफीन या इस तरह की मसनूआत के सारिफीन से डेटा इकट्ठा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है। प्रोडक्ट मार्केटिंग के नमूने के डेटा में तफसीलात शामिल हो सकती हैं जैसे कस्टमर डेमोग्राफिक्स, उम्र, मकाम, आमदनी, प्रोडक्ट के इस्तेमाल का डेटा, फ्रीक्वेंसी, इस्तेमाल शुदा खुसूसियात, कस्टमर फीडबैक, इत्मीनान, वेबसाइट के तामुलत, पेजेस विजिटेड, खरीदारी की तारीख, खरीदी गई अशिया, कीमत के पॉइंट्स, मद्दे मुकाबिल तज्जिया, कीमतों का तयन, खुसूसियात, सोशल मीडिया की मसरूफियत, पसंद, हिस्स और सर्वे के नताइज, तरजीहात, ज़रूरियात, सब का मकसद समझना है। किसी प्रोडक्ट को मुअस्सिर तरीके से फ़रोग़ देने के लिए कस्टमर का रवैया और टेलरिंग मार्केटिंग की हिकमत अमली।
Quantitative data type is something that can be counted or measured and then averaged across individuals in the population, for example, height, age, IQ score.
Categorical data type is something that falls into one of several categories. What can be counted is the proportion of individuals in each category, for example gender, hair color, blood type, A, B, AB, O.
In inferential statistics, the data are taken from the sample and allows us to generalize the population. Inference is just a big word that means a conclusion or judgment. If we infer that something has happened, we do not see, hear, feel, smell, or taste the actual event. But from what we know, it makes sense to think that it has happened. We make inferences every day. Sampling variation refers to the natural differences that occur when we take multiple samples from the same population. Imagine we want to know the average height of all the students in school. We can't measure everyone, so we take a sample of students and calculate their average height. If we take another sample, we might get a slightly different average height. This difference between the averages of different samples is sampling variation.
Electronic components are dispatched by a manufacturer in boxes of 500. A small number of faulty components are unavoidable. Customers have agreed to a defect rate of 2%. One customer recently found 25 faulty components, 5%, in a box. Was this box representative of production as a whole? The box represents a sample from the whole output. In such a case, sampling variations are expected.
The sampling distribution of percentages is the distribution obtained by taking all possible samples of fixed size n from a population, noting the percentage in each sample with a certain characteristic, and classifying these into percentages.
The standard error indicates how much variability is expected in the sample proportion if you were to repeat the sampling process multiple times. Formula for step is square root of p multiplied by 1 minus p over n, where p proportion, this is the percentage you are interested in, converted to a decimal form. And n is sample size, the total number of individuals in our sample.
Here is an example of calculate the standard error of the given data. We have values 5, 10, 12, 15, 20. First we have to find the mean of the given data. Mean equals 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 over 5 is equal to 62 over 5 equals 10.5. Now, the standard deviation can be calculated as S equals summation of difference between each value of given data and the mean valued number of values. Hence, after solving the above equation, we get S equals 5.35. Therefore, step can be estimated with the formula SE equals S, the square root NSE equals 5.35, or square root 5 equals 2.39. Thank you to attend Jannat Learning Digital class. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thought and feedback.